What's up, guys? So today we have got a pre-Christmas episode for you. And the reason why is because we are going to show you some gifts that you can get your loved one for Christmas, for off-roading and overlanding, camping.
Just some good ideas.
Turning. Not a girl. I mashed my fingers off. You know, say hi. Go ahead.
Okay. Spent so much time wrapping these.
You should take the bow off first.
Oh, I wonder what it would be.
It's even wrapped with electrical tape.
I couldn't find any tape, so I tried to hide it among the plaid.
Okay, guys. So this is the MyMedic, and this is not the MyFac. This is the Recon pack. And we haven't actually dug into this one really yet.
I dug into it a lot
Oh,
as soon as it came in.
Okay, well, I haven't dug into this one yet, but the MyFac is awesome. They've pretty well thought everything out. If you want to see our video on the MyFac, you can click right up here, or you can click the link in the description below. And you can see our review on the actual med kit. We have not done this one yet, but they make an absolutely awesome product. Any of the MyMedic products, they are good of good quality.
And it's really good for like anybody who does anything outside, like any kind of outdoor hiking, whatever it is. They've got a good pack for it.
And they
have everything in there that you need.
Yeah, and there's some expensive stuff in here, like the blood stop stuff. I mean, that's expensive stuff. So you can't go wrong with the MyMedic kits. What's this gonna be?
Shake it up.
Don't shake it. It's great.
All right. So this is H3R's dry chemical auto fire extinguishers. And we have just received a couple of these. These are for all you rich folks out there that want to get your man something and you just don't know what to get him because he has the money and he's bought everything already and you guys just have too much money.
That's you. You buy everything you want.
So, like, they justify the price just because they're such a quality product. And you can't really, I mean, you can, but you don't want to go cheap on safety. Paul Walker may still be alive today if somebody would have had one of these.
Can't believe you. Okay, I already know what this one is.
Yeah, me too.
Because I wrapped them all.
Yeah, so
10 minutes ago.
You didn't wrap them all?
It's a flashlight, but not just any flashlight. This is a really bright stream light, and it also has a charger, so you never have a dead battery. You just lock it onto the charger every time you get in.
Are you trying to be Kara?
No, I don't know what to say.
I have 3 of these stream lights, guys, and my absolute favorite thing about it, and it's installed already, is why I can't show you here, but it has a 12-volt charging that plugs into a cigarette lighter, and then you can mount the dock in your car, and boom, you just slide it right down in there. It charges every time you're in the car, and you've always got a good bright light. What could this be?
I don't know. Surprise!
All right, guys. So, this is the VFO 3-camera dash cam setup, and if you are an off-roader that wants to shoot some rad video and maybe you're looking into possibly starting a YouTube channel, this is the guy. And so you've got a forward-facing dash cam that goes out your windshield, a camera that points on the driver and passenger, and then you even have a third camera that looks out your back window, so you're literally watching 360 degrees of your car pretty much, and you get the interior. Check it out in the description below. Also, get on our website, guys. You can find all this stuff on there, and not only can you find it on our website, our discount codes are included on our website. So if you want to get discounts on all these products, go to our website, use our links, and get the discount.
This is the 3-pack of this.
Yeah, I can't believe you guys wrapped them all.
Claire wanted to wrap some, so it's half a wrap by me and half a wrap by Clara. Let's see if you can tell which is which.
Okay, guys, so these are new to us products. Shout out to Shine Armor. They are a new sponsor of ours. I would say it's a little early on to be doing this, but we were just so blown away with how good they worked. And by the way, it's like an awesome stocking stuffer, guys. It fit right in the stocking. Odor eliminator with leather scent. And then you've got your ceramic coating for your paint. And then you've got your nano glass technology for your windshield and your windows. Both worked absolutely amazingly. And we were super impressed. Check out the video for that if you're curious to see how good these products worked. We did a real test and took it really off-roading to see what it was capable
I took
of.
another secret test. I sprayed down the fridge with this one, and it looks so much cleaner. It hasn't gotten fingerprints all over it.
Damn, it does
I
look
know. It's a real,
Might have to do
that
a
is a
B-roll of
testament
that.
to this
Yeah,
product.
I never knew that.
Maybe you're not supposed to use men's
Probably
it's really chemically.
ruined the stainless steel.
Shh, don't tell anybody.
All
But
right.
it looks way cleaner.
So, Shine Armor products, there's a whole product line on our website. Go to our website, go to the sponsors page, click the Shine Armor tab, and you will go to the page that shows all of their products, and they've got a ton. Let's get right into this.
Let's get into it.
Guys, if you watch our channel, you should be sporting our products. And it cost us extra to have such a cool logo on these shirts. So show us a little love. We don't make any money on these, but we are in it for the branding. So please wear our brand. Please support our brand. Show it with pride. And tell all your friends to do the same. All of our Off-Road Recon merch, all of our Off-Road Recon stickers, badges, patches. Oh, you wrapped the patch?
That was obviously Clara. She had to wrap it. Patches, which are probably the coolest thing, I think.
Yeah,
I think
these
they're really
are
awesome.
PVC patches. They're really detailed, really quality. What are they? $10 on our website?
I think so.
$10 buys you one of these. $25 buys you a t-shirt, I think. We have some hoodies. Probably getting pretty limited on hoodies, being this time of the year and Christmas is coming up. So you can't go wrong with Off-Road Recon merch. Please support it. All right. So this is a striker, Camp Chef striker. It's just like a jet boil. You screw your deal on there, and you can boil water really quick in this. We use this to perk coffee often, and it's so quick, it's so easy. We pour it in here. We use a French press.
If you're somebody who does like the mountain meals where you pour the water in, that's obviously going to make it way easier. We don't usually do that.
Boom, baby.
Yeah,
That
there it
snaps
is.
right on there, and you're ready to cook
You ready?
and get shook.
I don't know what this is, but it says Boulder Tools.
Okay, this is the Boulder Tools air down. They've got a couple different tools. So this one you set you can set your valve stem there, and you do them one at a time and air down. But it's got all these valve stems. You screw them on all 4 of your valve stems, and it airs all your tires down to whatever PSI you set this to do it. Very cool, awesome product, super easy to use. Another perfect stocking stuffer. Actually, I got people these for Christmas. So,
Ooh.
Factor 55 is another one of our partners. And if you are an avid off-roader or overlander, you know who Factor 55 is. They are the most sought after, probably winching tools and parts in the industry. This is their rope retention pulley system, and if you have a synthetic rope on your winch and you're looking to do like a shackle or where you can get more leverage to winch out, that's what these are for. You'll wrap it around the front of the rig, bring it back through the pulley, and then it gives you like double the winching power. I don't know, it's something crazy. Any of the Factor 55 items are absolutely awesome. We have both the Ultra hooks on both of our vehicles. We love them. I was just using one to tow logs out the other day and pull limbs down. It was amazing. So now, for the last thing, quite honestly, my favorite right now is the new Off-Road Recon Roast Coffee, brought to you by the Old Depot Coffee Company, straight out of Seymour, Missouri. So, what does that mean? If you go out to S'more and you want to try our coffee, which is a dark roast, it's absolutely delicious. We did taste testing on this for years and years. Okay, maybe it was one day.
Maybe not yours, but we did taste it.
Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
Yeah, as soon as you unwrapped it.
Dark roast coffee, very delicious. If you don't like your coffee dark, use less beans. We're thinking about you. You can spend less money. You can purchase this dark roast coffee over at our website. Click on our website. It's on the home page. You'll see me holding this package up right in your face. Click on the picture. It'll take you right to where you can purchase this coffee. Great Christmas gift. You get a value of one of our free off-road recon decals on the back. $5 value. And we love to shop.
Yeah.
They got a really cool coffee shop, so if you're on your way to S'more or you're leaving S'more, stop in there, get you a cup of joe. They can make some really good stuff. Also, if you are gonna be there, so I have this favorite drink of mine. It's got oat milk and brown sugar in it, and you shake it up. Boy, is it delicious. So we said, let's do that in here, and then whenever I come to get coffee, we'll have a Recon roasted coffee. So go by the place, ask for an iced Recon roast coffee, and let's see if they can get it right. If not, then give me a call or drop me a comment, and I'll come up there and order it. You're getting a good premium coffee with a good premium name and a premium decal on the back and a premium brand that you support. And I'm talking about Off-Road Recon and Old Depot Coffee Company. So, thanks for tuning in, guys. We really appreciate it. We hope this is helping you buy some crap for the people that probably don't need the crap that you're buying. But that's the world we live in. This is America, and it's time to go buy shit. So, get on out of here. Go blow a bunch of money that you don't have. Wait for that next stimmy, and we'll see you on the trail.
This is extreme.
That's a wrap. I can try the coffee.
No!
So tired. Don't too excited. Daddy, you look tired. Daddy, you look tired.
I am tired.
Mommy looks
I'm
like
vengeful.
she's really energized.